Hello everyone, today we're going to do grade 8 Z10. So we're going to complete the table and the graph. Okay, so now here we have y equals 2x and we're given our x values and we have to find our y values. So if we plug in 0 in for 2, 2 times 0 is 0. Plug in 2 again, 2 times 2 is 4. Plug in 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Plug in 5, 5 times 2 is 10. Now, if you screw up any of these, it's going to mark you wrong. Then you have to take it and plot it on this coordinate plane here. So the point 0, 0, click, 2, 4, 2, 4, click. Okay, 4 comma 8. Ooh, wait, doesn't let you plot 4 comma 8. Because the cool thing about a line is all you have to do is plot 2 points. And you get that line right through it. So you get 4, 8 is there, and you get 5, 10 is there. So all you really have to do is just plot the first two. And then the line will take care of the other two. Just make sure it's right. X is on the bottom, and Y is over here on the left. Okay. Again, same idea. We're going to plug in, now we have X plus 2. So we have 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Now I'm going to plot. You plot 0, 2, remember it's 0, and then you go up to 2. This over here is 2 comma 0. Okay, so it's left or right first. You don't go left or right, and you go up 2. 3 comma 5, there's 3 comma 5. And again, just to show you, if you wanted to plot 8 comma 10, you could also do that as well, just so you guys can see that it will take that. All right, let's jump a level. Okay, now this time you don't get 0, but that's okay. We're going to plug in 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, I'll plot 1 comma 6, and I'll plot 2 comma 7. Okay, now here is where you're going to want to get out paper and pencil. All right, do not try to do this without paper and pencil. So, see my little artwork stuff project there for a Christmas present. Okay, so we have the pen. Where is the pen? There's the pen. Okay, so we have -3 times, I'm going to plug in 5, plus 23. Okay, now -3 times 5 is -15. Okay, plus 23. That's the same thing as 23 minus 15, which is going to give us 8. But let's show it here. All right, got to borrow 13, okay, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Boom. So that right there is 8. Okay, then we'll do the same thing for the next one. -3 times 6 plus 23. This gets us -18 plus 23, which is 5. Okay, just 23 minus 18. And then the last one, -3 times 7, I'm running out of room here. Plus 23. Okay, this is going to get us negative 21. Plus 23, which is 23 minus 21, which is 2. So my answers are 8, 5, and 2. Okay, so 8, 5, and 2. So we have 5 comma 8. And we have 6 comma 5. And this line is sloping downwards. This one actually has a negative slope. All right. And now here, then the only difference now here is that it's a full grid. So here, like negative 5 plug in, negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Okay, so you can plot negative 5 comma 10. You could plot 1, negative 2, and you just need the full grid. So they give it to you. All right, let's see if there's anything else that's. Okay, now here's an interesting one. We have y equals 4, and we have these x values. For y equals 4, that means that this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. It does not matter what these are. There is no x. So basically what happens is when you plot 1, comma 4, and 6, comma 4, you just get this horizontal line. Now, if it was x equals a number, it would be a vertical line, but we have y equals a number. So this is a horizontal line. Okay. And oh no, fractions, everybody's worst enemy. Remember, if it's 1 on top, you can just divide. Okay. You can use a calculator. All right. So if you see the fractions and you're like, Mr. Panic, 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 use calculator. Negative 1 divided by 4 times negative 8. Okay. Negative 1 divided by 4 times negative 4. Same sort of stuff. Same sort of stuff. Same sort of stuff. Okay, now here when you get up into the challenge zone, it doesn't give you numbers to plug in. The numbers you're going to want to plug in are 0 and 1. They are usually the easiest numbers to plug in, unless you have a fraction. If you have a fraction, you're going to use 0 and the denominator, which is the bottom number. So here, x is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4, so that'd be 0, comma 4. And if I plug in 1, 6 times 1 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. And there's my line right there. Okay, again, here for the fraction, if you're going for that 100, right, we're going to plug in 0. So 0 is, here, I'll show you on here. Okay, so we have y equals negative 2 over 3. Again, I'm picking 0 minus 5. Okay, so this is just, those that just goes away. 2 over 3 times 0 is 0, and you're left with negative 5. Now, because we have a fraction, we're going to pick the denominator, the bottom number. So we have negative 2 over 3 times 3, okay, minus 5. These will cancel, and you're just left with negative 2 minus 5, which is negative 7. Okay, so we'll have 0, negative 5. And what did I say? 3, negative 7. 2, 3, negative 7. That's 4. There we go. That's 3. All right, so I'm going to stop there. Again, here you would use 0 and 3. The grade you get is the grade you get.